In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom global blocks. So if you have a block that you want to use across a bunch of different pages on your website, and you don't want to have to go and update each individual version of that block on each individual page that it is on, this is what global blocks is going to help you do. You're going to be able to update a global block on one page, and those changes are going to apply to all the blocks across the different pages of your website. So I'm going to go over here to my website. So clicking on view website on the top left hand side, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to apply a block template. So I'm going to add an empty template and I'm going to apply a pre-made block, and let's go short with about our company. Let's say you've got this about section that you want to use across various pages of your website and you don't want to update it every single time. To turn a block into a global block, what you're going to do is click on the three dots up there, or you can right click on the block itself and you can hit global. This is going to turn this block into a global block. And so now if I go ahead and add another page to my website, so I'm going to open my page manager and I'm just going to add a new page. I'll leave this all as is and just hit save. And I'm going to move that over there. I'm going to navigate to this page, and on this page I'm just going to add a couple different things. So let's add this big blue block, and then let's also add our global block. To add the global block, you're going to come to the section where you add your blocks. You're going to navigate to global blocks up here on the top, and then you're going to select the global block that you would like to use. So I'm going to go ahead and select this global block, and now that's been added. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this page. But now I want to make some changes to my global block. I want to add an image or something to this global block so that they can see, hey, oh, it's about us. So what I'm going to do is right click, I'm going to add an image, and I'm going to change that image to something of a happy person, a happy, smiley person. Maybe I should, that she's cute, let's go with her. All right, so now she's been added to our global block. We might want to change the size a bit. So let's say custom size 800, sure. And we want to move that over there. And there we go. So now our global block has been customized. So I'm going to go ahead and publish those changes again. And then I'm going to come up here to my preview mode, and I'm going to navigate back to my home page. And you'll see that that has been changed on my other page. So you can do this with any block that you create and you design. You can create as many global blocks as you would like to use. A lot of the time your footer will be a global block, so any information that you have in there, if you want to update it, that's going to be visible on every page in your website. So you want to be able to update that across everything every time you make a change to it. So that is how you can create global blocks in the system. It's pretty easy and straightforward. In the next video, I am going to show you how to create custom pop-ups. I'll see you there.